Hey everybody, Zach Warren here, Phillips RV, back at you. Video number 3, Inside and Amenities, 2021 Heartland 2725 BH. This is the Wilderness. First thing we're going to talk about, king-size bed. How many travel trailers do you know that have a king-size bed? How many fifth wheels do you know that have a king-size bed? The higher-end ones, of course, you're going to spend $60,000, $70,000 for. This is a travel trailer, under $30,000, it's got a king-size bed. Look at all the storage in here. Tons of storage. You even get 2 big dressers or nightstands on each side. Great if you have a CPAP machine. Then also, I'm a big guy. Look how comfortably I can walk in between here. I'm not shuffling my feet like a lot of campers when it's close to the wall. You have tons of room to walk. You're not having to do that shuffle, that Super Bowl shuffle like the Bears going back and forth. You're walking straight. Now coming through here, we're going to have our pocket door. It's sliding across. It's going to lead into our kitchen. Now our kitchen, we're going to have these nice hard surface countertops. Every Wilderness has these. Nice cutting boards here that are sink covers, plus this stainless steel sink with the high-rise faucet and the drop down. We're going to have the gray stone microwave up here, hood, fan, and light, and our LED lit oven and 3-burner cooktop combo. Now behind my camera guy, we're going to have our U-shaped dinette that will drop into a bed with this nice sconce right above there. Gives it a nice look. We're going to have our 10.7 cubic foot Ever-Chill fridge right here. It runs off electricity, runs off a battery when you're going down the road, so no open propane tanks. 10.7 cubic feet. That's almost 3 cubic feet bigger than any other RV fridge that runs off of propane. Look at the size of this freezer. Tons of room for your chops, your steaks, your burgers, your sausages, whatever. And down here, water, soda, milk, and for me, pudding. Everybody knows me as the pudding guy. I'm going to put all my snack packs in here. Butterscotch, vanilla, tapioca, chocolate. I love me some pudding. So I'm going to fill that thing up, and there's a lot of room to fill up. Again, 10.7 cubic feet. Now, our next stop is going to be our love seat. Now, this is a love seat, but it's also an actual pull-out couch. It is not a futon. It lifts up and it pulls out. I don't want to have to take the cushions out, but it's an actual bed that pulls out. Nice space here for our TV with our AM, FM, CD, DVD, USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth radio that operates inside and outside speakers. Does everything. Central vacuum right here. Tons of storage. All hardwood fascia on these. This is not pressboard or MDF. It's all real RV wood. Now, I've told you before, push of a button awning, push of a button slide. We're going to have our 2 queen-size bunks right here with the built-in ladder. We're going to have our bathroom in here. Nice shower right back here with that beautiful surround with the built-in shelves. Nice toilet. Now, what I like about the placement of this toilet is 2 things. First of all, you sit down. I can move. I'm not squeezing my knees to avoid anything. Number 2, if you have a harder time getting up, counter, lift. We have 2 water heater buttons. We have LP and electric, so you can choose, or you can run them both at the same time for a quick refresh. We have this mirrored medicine cabinet with the 2 shelves. The last thing we're going to look at is I'm going to have my camera guy look at my hands. 1, 2. Keep walking back. 1, 1, 2. H-ducted AC system. Today, it is 85 degrees. It's going to be 91. It's probably about 80% humidity here in Illinois. We have 2 weathers, cold and hot. We don't have much temperate weather here. So when it's hot like this and you got to crank that AC, it's going to keep cooling here with that insulation. It's going to stay cool. Now, if you'd like to come look at this camper, give me a call, 815-933-2251, extension 735 to set up an appointment. I'm going to say it one more time. Zach Warren, Phillips RV, Bradley, Illinois, 815-933-2251, extension 735, or call and ask for Zach. Guys, I'd love to see you in here. This is not going to be here long. It is a beautiful floor plan, and whoever comes picks it up is going to be a happy owner. And until next time, I'll be seeing you.